blow, I ain't dumb. They try to take my floor, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say I got 2 twin vibes, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin eyes, leave them on the band. I got 2 thick thighs, wanna live the game. I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan. I know I'm about to blow.
Welcome back to another video where today I am going to be doing custom squishies. Yay! I did not get this idea. Somebody else gave me this idea. But so we're going to get straight into this video. We are going to get to the custom squishy. So guys, I'm going to be customizing this little guy right here. It is a macaroon. But it has macaron. That's how I say it. Some people call it a macaron. Some people call it a macaroon. But I call it a macaroon. So guys, so this is the squishy I'm going to be customizing. It's a cute little macaroon. Guys, I'm going to give you guys a close-up view of this. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to kind of put some things on top of it. I don't want to cut anything on it. Don't check the camera. But, so, I'm just going to get straight into customizing this thing. So, guys, as you guys can see, I'm going to be customizing this specific squishy right here. Get it on. So, guys, I'm just going to be customizing this specific squishy right here. I'm going to start off with a face and then build on top of that. So guys, I will see you when I have all the materials I need. Alright guys, so we have the things. We got some puffy paint. I have like...
There's some more paint over there.
Oh, no, fine. I have all of these colors to customize this squishy.
You could just use black,
right
that's over there.
Here.
You could use the paints we use.
But guys, I'm just going to focus the camera on the squishy right here. You guys are not going to see my face, but you guys will see me. You guys will still see me customizing the squishy. So guys, just get ready for this. I'm going, guys, and remember, it's going to look really, really ugly.
Why didn't you just use some black? There's black over there.
I'm just going to start it off just like this. I'm just going to, oh no, I already messed up. All right.
I'm going to spread that and make it weird macaron.
I'm making the ugliest face you guys have ever seen. It's beautiful now. It is the most beautiful thing in history. You guys will not be able to resist this if you ever saw this on the street. It is the cutest thing in history.
Stop.
Like, oh, for a second I thought you touched it. Alright. Now we need to give it some hair. Guys, we need to give it some hair. Just gotta give it some hair.
Why don't you add glitter?
Some hair.
You're doing a great job, Max.
Alright guys, so we have this one done. Guys, you're gonna see this in a completely different video tomorrow, but here is the beautiful squishy.
It's really good.
It is the most beautiful thing in history. Can you guys get a selfie of me next to this? Yeah. that would actually be funny if we did. But that'd be funny. That'd actually be really funny. But this, I did not try to make this look this ugly. I did not expect it to come out this way. But it is now the most beautiful thing in history of... You're recording me. Now this is the most beautiful thing in the history of squishies. Alright, so let's get back over here with our beautiful friend over here, which should be dry by tomorrow, guys.
Or
so
after
on my Instagram, I'm going to be posting this little guy, or after dinner, it depends. And I will post this little guy on Instagram. And you guys better follow my Instagram.
Yeah, you better.
Follow my Instagram. It will be in the outro for this video. As I think we do something with this little guy.
No, Max.
What do
Please
you
no.
guys think we could do with this?
No, Max. No.
Not yet.
I'm
This already has too much detail on it.
It's too good. Poop is good.
Guys, let me.
We already got a
Pato. Let me. Okay.
We already got a brown color for you.
Oh yeah, guys, this is what I made a little while ago. It is beautiful.
Let's check that out.
I think I could do something with this turtle.
Yeah, he's definitely the opposite of what he should be.
Alright, guys.
the
Wait, catch it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to fill in the lines.
Good idea.
So these lines, they have nothing on it.
What? That's way too big.
Okay, so this is the most beautiful thing ever.
Yeah, it's
It is
beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it's really
It
gorgeous,
will-
Max. It's
Every
beautiful.
girl will love it.
You will
It's
definitely
so
have a great life.
beautiful.
You'll have a great wife and a great life.
So it's beautiful, guys. It has a big yellow glob on it. Every girl is gonna love this squishy. It's the most beautiful squishy
It's
in
so
the
beautiful.
history of squishies.
It's so beautiful, yeah.
Guys, I think I could use these little parts.
You know, hi guys.
So guys, Kaji, no, you're not talking. So guys, I have these little parts of other squishies here. And I think I can do something with these. I am going to start with a big piece. You gotta start with the big chungus piece. Everybody knows that. You gotta start with the big chungus piece. And then I'm gonna layer on top with, how about pink? Because like it's really one of the best colors that like stand out on it. So I'm just gonna go.
You should have kept it yellow because the
Don't.
turtle's already yellow.
Do it.
Smile.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, totally.
It's the most beautiful thing in the
Are
history.
you gonna make it into a raindrop?
Yes, it is also. Are you kidding me?
What?
Intermission. Pause the video. Pause the video. So I'm finally done with the intermission. I got off that little pink glove that was on me. But now, what are we doing? But now, we shall check out the most beautiful squishy in the history of squishies. It is
You said that with the
gorgeous.
last one.
They are all gorgeous. All my squishies are gorgeous. Now, it's gonna have to. Everybody watching is gonna have to suffer looking at this. This is the most beautiful thing in the history of squishies.
Yes, it really is. What's your next
So
one?
now I will go pink and just go.
Do 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 do.
Pink dot. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, these are my newer ones. So this is nothing. That's not a squishy. That's. Are you kidding me? I'll clean up after. I'm not gonna do any more intermissions. But guys, these are the two I just created. They are so beautiful. I have to try to pick it up. Wait, guys.
Where's your finger bleeding from that paint? It looks like it's bleeding.
Are you kidding me? Now I get it on my wrist. Like, are you kidding me? And I still get it on my thumb. That's so nice.
It's your nail.
That's so nice. Alright, intermission, guys. I need to clean this off. Intermission. So, yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this banger video. But guys, that's gonna have to be it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.